Na nababakabalin, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Pampanga. Sa vlog na to, dinayo po namin ang Mabalacat, Pampanga upang bisitahin itong bagong bukas na restaurant and chill spot dito po sa Mabalacat City. So itong Cocinero, ayan. So if you know this guys, meron po siyang alfresco, we also have shredded, and then at the same time, actually nasa loob na si Mark taking pictures. Papasok tayo doon. Yun yung parang pinaka event center nila dito in which we are gonna taste their food. So pasok po tayo. Let's go! Hey Mark!
Alright!
What is up? So ito yun guys. This is their kumbagang pinaka-event center, and dito sa table natin, hinanda na nila yung mga pagkain. I don't think this is finished. Parang meron pa silang hinahanda, bro.
Actually, meron pa silang hinahanda. Pero itong setup natin, dalawang portion siya. Meron tayong mga unlimited and yung mga a la carte.
Okay.
So, syempre, meron tayo dito yung kanilang crispy pata, sisig. Meron tayong ditong seafood gangbas, pasta olio. Meron tayo dito yung mixed salpicao, meron tayong nachos. Ito bago sa akin to eh. Yung parang mga sosyalin na
appetizer,
France, na appetizer. Meron silang tofu. Yan. So, for unlimited naman, so as low as 199 pesos, yung kanilang unlimited samgyupsal.
So, syempre guys, kapag samgyupsal ang pinag-uusapan, si Master Mark ang ating chef. So, welcome to Mark's Unli-Samgy Cooking Show.
So dito rin is unlimited yung kanilang side dishes. Meron tayong kimchi, meron tayong egg roll, tofu. Sa mga chicken wings naman, so meron tayong buffalo wings, parmesan, and honey glaze. All in one bite.
So, ayun guys, aside from the unlimited wings at saka unlimited samgyupsal nila, available yung mga a la carte dishes natin dito. So, ito yung mga options natin kung gusto natin ng included sa mga pulutan natin while umiinom. Okay, so syempre, hindi mawawala sa mga appetizer and main dish na rin is ang mga sisig. Ayan, so, alright, so kuha tayo. Ayan, lagay natin sa plate natin. Wow, sarap. Malinamnam. Malinamnam. Now, ito guys, gusto ko siyang tikman. Pansin natin. Ooh, crunchy. Parang pink sauce din nila to, no? Okay. So natin ulit dito. So, more of their mga refreshment dito, available pala yung mga milk tea natin. They call it Fatima. Fatima, ayan. So, we're gonna taste them. Alright, so finally guys, for our dessert, binigyan po nila tayo ng blueberry cheesecake what a way to end the video, brother. Did you enjoy?
Yes, actually nag-enjoy ako kahit yung mga samgyupsal nila and tsaka yung chicken wings, tagang solve na solve ka na.
Ito yung pinaka-mura, pinaka-abot kaya na unlimited samgyupsal.
As low as 199 pesos yung makakakain ka na dito. Ma-enjoy mo pa yung ambience.
Cocinero is located dito po sa Mauaque, Malati, Barangay Mauaque, Mabalacat City. And they are open from...
They are open from 3 p.m. until 12, Monday to Sunday.
Yun, so if you're near the area or baka gusto nyong dayuin guys, actually, they do have entertainers regularly. So check out their fan page kung sino po yung nakaschedule na gusto nyong panoorin.
Yes.
So ayun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And when you share it guys, please tag We're in Pampanga para malike din po namin.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.
Shout out mo kay Malati. Artista lang ako.
Artista na, maraming. Boss, shout out.
Shout out sa lahat ng kakilala ko.
Shout out, man.
Visit na po kayo dito sa Cocinero.